All right, good afternoon, guys. Hopefully, you're having a great Sunday today. So, I'm back out here in Summerlin. Caldwell is the name of this community. Now, I did do the video home tours on here. So, if you guys want to do, or actually, if you guys want to check those out, go ahead and check out the video home tours. And I just got done doing the townhomes, which is Groves at Caldwell Park in Summerlin. They have about a total of 130 townhomes being built, and they only sold 21 a home so far. And they just opened, like, I think about 2 months ago. And they're moving pretty quickly. However, I did ask like what the incentives are over here, and they weren't really giving too much right now. I know understanding inventory, because they're doing spec build right now. And if you don't know what spec build is basically they pick all the options so that way they can pull the permits and hurry up and build, because a lot of people that buy new homes sometimes just don't want to like wait and to build out a home, so they start the construction already, so that way they'll have these homes ready. But the only downfall is that you may not have like the options that like you want or anything like that, right? But anyway, right now the sending inventory, what they have, you get roughly about like $10,000, and they're paying for owner title policy and transfer tax. But from all the other builders that I've seen right now, KB's doesn't really give that much incentives, and it could probably just be the fact that it's just this community. We're up here in Summerlin. There's definitely a high demand where people just want to move to Summerlin. But as you can see, the driveway here, there's really no driveway on these townhomes. Now, the townhomes that they are selling, they have a total of 6 different like floor plans to pick and choose from. Okay, so they have the 1430 square feet, and that one is 2-story, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage. Now, what's cool about these, they're all 9-foot ceilings, which is a plus. Now, some of them are all along the end here, and the way that they're pricing their properties out now is just a little bit different. What I mean by that is a couple things. Number one, if you end up purchasing out here, right? Let's just say if you're interested in the 1430 model. Well, with the 1430 model, they have this thing called 2 selections with the land. It's the bay or the coves. So like for the bay, for the base price is $394,990. And keep this in mind, guys. This is at the time of making this video, which means you're probably going to get a driveway like this. Okay, your lot is not going to be as huge, especially like the front, because the lifestyle here is basically they want you to go outside versus hanging inside your house. So the coves is going to cost you more money because you have a bigger lot. So like, let me show you what I'm talking about. Man, this camera's getting heavy. So here, this is kind of like the premium lot. So this would be like the cove, right? But as you can see the strip and how much wider the front is on this. So let's go back over here so we can take a look at the construction. So the second floor plan is the 1545, which is a 2-story, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 with a 2-car garage. And the base price is $404,000. Then we have the 1687 model, and the base price on that is $415,000. Then we have the 18094 plan, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, $425,000. Then if you did the same floor plan, but you did the end cap, it's about $10,000 more. Now the biggest model that they have is the 1947 model. You have an option for a 3 to 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage. Now the only thing about this community is basically this townhome shares with the single detached family residence, which is a downfall if you're buying a single family residence, because I feel like it drops the value a little bit more. Okay? Because think about it, is if you're within one community, you've got one way in, one way out right now. Look at this. The value, I feel like, won't be there. On this side here, we're going to have single family residence. Okay? Now, your HOAs will be $60 a month. But then we have the Summerlin master plan community. So if we include the Summerlin master plan community, total is $175 a month. Now, they do have SIDS and LIVs, which is Special Improvement District. And that's going to run you about $340 every 6 months. So, I mean, it is pretty pricey to live up here. So as you can see right here, we've got the dirt. They laid the foundation. They already have all the plumbing. They probably already test the plumbing. Permits have been pulled, so they're probably going to start the framing. Now, I just did all the video home tours for this community, right? All the townhomes, all the single family residents. So make sure to check out that playlist. And if you don't have a real estate agent, okay, I definitely would love the opportunity to really earn your business. I really do. And don't forget to check out our new Builder versus Builder. It took me a while to put everything all together with this book. And it's really to help you that's interested in, purchasing a brand new home, which is a better builder. The reality is it just comes down to like materials that you get. All right, guys, that is pretty much it. I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed, folks. All right, guys, I'm so excited to launch this new book, Builder versus Builder. Reason why we created this book is because, closing over 100-something transactions on brand new homes here in Las Vegas, buyers and also agents will ask me which is a better home builder. Well, it comes down to materials and products, and that's the reason why we've created this book. But within this book, there's a total of 32 questions that you need to ask the builder. This is how you're going to compare one builder to another, because it comes down to material and products. Now, this book right here is a comprehensive guide on evaluating materials from one builder to another. We break it down all in this book. And don't worry about it, because if you don't understand the materials and the lifespan, it's all in here. Again, there's a total of 32 questions that you need to ask. Now, if you want to get this, it's free. And this is only exclusive for all my followers on YouTube, okay? All you have to do is just text builder to this number right here. Again, it's free. Go ahead and text builder to this number, and we'll give it to you.